We deal with structural steel fabrication for towers, steel bridges, churches, and factories. Our entry point to Equity Bank was out of frustrations from the major banks. They did not understand the nature of works. In Equity, they took time to understand. They tailor-make your requirements. I was able to pay my suppliers on time. I was able to improve my performance and to expand our customer base because of availability of funding. At this particular time, many businesses have closed. You can see we are still working. We contribute this much to God's favor and Equity coming in to support us. 10 years from now, I'm seeing opportunities in Kenya. I'm seeing abundance, and Equity as a partner, God willing, we work together. In Equity, I am home.